Well, for those of you at the University of Maryland, keep your eyes open. That's because a fellow Terp needs your help. This is Molly. She's a freshman chemistry and mathematics major at UMD. Well, 2 days ago, she posted this tweet asking for help finding her lost necklace. And it's not just any necklace. The chain holds her father's wedding ring. Molly says he passed away when she was 7, and her mom gave it to her for her 18th birthday. So if you're walking around on campus this weekend, keep your eyes on the ground there and help Molly find that necklace.